Greetings YouTubers, it's me again, Nice Cake and Music Lover, and I'm back for more What's on the GED test. And this is episode 2, and this subject I'm talking about is science. And luckily I took notes, so I'm going to help you on that one. So yeah. But first off, I'm going to start out with the mathematics. And there's mostly math to it, mean, median, mode, and multiplications, divisions, additional, and subtractions. So yeah. But mostly, and also range 2. Also range 2. So yeah. But it's kind of like the math test too on my last episode. So yeah. What I said about the math subjects from the last episode and all. So yeah. So it'll have math to it. It will have math to it, and you gotta find the temperatures using the math PIMDAS. So yeah. So anyway, it also has reading to it though. Sorry. It also has some reading stuff to it though and all. So yeah. And you gotta like read through the questions too, basically, and search up some keywords to it. Search some keywords and all, and read what it was talking about though. So yeah. So anyway, for the science section exclusive, you'll get which got a piece of paper, which I got a paper right here with notes. So yeah, what I'm looking at. So yeah, so you get the dependent and independent, and independent is what you control, and dependent is what you collect. So yeah. So yeah, which I did have a hard time with those. I had a hard time with independent, but until I've been watching videos, I found out that it got easy. So yeah, but if you use the bar graph for independent, they're really letters. So the top left is a D, and the bottom middle is an I. So look at the bar graph and make them into letters that can help you pass, help you get the answer right. So yeah, help me get the answer right. So yeah. And there's also units too, and the chemical balance. So yeah. And there's also reactants and produce. Reactants on the left side and produce on the right side of the chemicals. So yeah. And if it's just and also and also and also the big number the big number of the balance, if it doesn't have any numbers, it's just a 1. So yeah, if we don't have any numbers for the how many chemical balance are there, that's just a 1. So yeah, just a 1. And so yeah. And also this. And also there's also NCR. So there's also NCR. So you have a calculator plus the second button, and you click on you click on PRB, and you should find NCU, enter that, and put the other number in, and boom. Isn't like it's or not like I don't know if it's times or what, I don't know. Like I put 8 NCR 3 and you get 56. So don't think that's 24, because that would trick you. Don't make you think that's 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. That would trick you. So basically, like I think how many spaces are there. So yeah, how many spaces are there. So yeah. And also last but not least, square opponents. And remember, no, two more things. Before I get to opponent square, there's control group. Emoji answered the question that doesn't need to be tested. So always just chose the fourth group that mostly doesn't need to be tested. The fourth group, the control group error. The basically that's the control group error. So basically the fourth group that doesn't need to be tested. So yeah. And now anyway, yeah, that's basically the easiest one. The control group error. So it's the fourth group that doesn't need to be tested. So yeah. It's the opponent squares, capital letters and lowercase letters. And it's basically hard to say on that one. I can't help you on that one. It's kind of hard to say. So yeah, I can't help you on that one. So it's kind of hard to say. I can't help you on that one. So yeah. So all I can say is this. The reason why I can't help you on that one because it either goes capital or lowercase on the top center, or on the top center or middle left. So yeah. So it depends on, I don't know. It's hard to say, so yeah. But homo, same letters, as in both capitals or both lowercase. And hetero, different. A capital and a lowercase. So yeah. And dominant means capital, and recessive, lowercase. So yeah. And yeah, and so last but not least, applying, if it's a question talking about applying and moving, applying input and moving output. So yeah. And inferior conclusion of the evidence. So yeah. So anyway, that's all I have on the science GED test. And there's more to it though. Good luck. You got this. And I'll see you guys next week on episode 3. So till then, have a good night, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now, and peace out. Sorry. Bye for now, and peace. Bye for now, and bye for now, and peace out. Sorry guys, my bad. Just a little camera angle problem also, yeah, my bad. Sorry. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Take care and be safe out there. Alright. Peace out.